Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. We have today a review of US quarters. They're from the US women's quarters, the 25 cents coins from 2023. Now originally I had this coin sent to me as part of a pre-order, but somehow I seem to have got them lost and can't find them when I came to do the review, so I ordered some others. Now normally there would be only two, which is Philadelphia and Denver, but there is a third one there, which is the S for San Francisco. Now I've kept two of them in the packages because we only need the one to look at in close up. Quarters are all Washington quarters, and as I said, there are two other mint marks, Philadelphia and San Francisco. However, I'm just going to concentrate on this one coin. There we go. Let's see if I can bring that in a bit more. Not without losing the focus, you can't, Steve. There you go. This coin is Edith Kanaka'ole. She's born on the 30th of October 1913 and passed away on the 3rd of October 1979. She was 65 years old. Her occupation was a chanter, a teacher, kumahula, and a kumahula dancer. She was married with 6 children. She married on the 21st of January 1933. She had a great... She choreographed the hula and also came up with many chants. In 1953, after her mother's stroke, she called on two of her daughters, Milani and Paulina, to take over the hula dancing and the chants. In 1950, she toured the US, Canada and much of Asia with the hula group named after her daughter Nalani. Between 1971 and 79, she was renowned as a world leader in the Hawaiian dances and community, and she was also a teacher at the Hawaiian Community College. Between 1973 and 79, she was a head teacher via the Hawaii University at Hilo, and that was to do with the dance, for dancing the Hawaiian language, Hawaiian culture. She did that, or she taught on those courses. So this is the coin itself. The normal president's coin on the face of it, and then you have her here, her hair flowing off and over, and her name, then her name that her hair flows over. This is a lovely coin. I really do like it. It's very different and it helps celebrate something very special that was going on at that time in the Hawaiian community and what she did. She had many attributes that were recognised during her lifetime and since then. I believe her daughters carried on the hula traditional dancing and the teaching of it and all the different moves and also the chants after her death. A special lady who deserves to be on these coins. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos as a minimum each week, but just recently I've been releasing 5. I hope to increase my subscriber level over the rest of this year. I'm currently at just short of 190, and I'm looking to try and get 250 by Christmas New Year period. If you have enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? And if you're one of around the 80% of the viewers that watch my channel on a regular basis that haven't yet subscribed, if you believe I deserve it, would you please also subscribe? From me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.